Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to book flight tickets for Lufthansa. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to Lufthansa official website, which is lufthansa.com. And after that, here you can check the place that you want to go from. And let's say, for example, we are in the US. And let's say, for example, we wanted to go to Sydney. And in here you can choose if you wanted to make it a one-way trip or you wanted to make a return date. So let's stick with the one-way trip for now. And after that you can choose the time and date that you wanted to travel on. So let's say, for example, on the 11th, and then you press on continue. And after that you press on search flights. And after that, this page is gonna load, and here you can select the currency that you wanted to pay with, and also confirm the time and date exactly. So here's the available tickets, the economy, premium economy, and the business. And you can choose the time exactly. So let's just go for this time, for example. And after that, you check in and the economy that you wanted to select. Let's stick with the economy basic and press on select. And after that, it's gonna load this page, and then you can press on enter passengers details. And in here, you're gonna fill in your personal information, first and middle name, and the date of birth, and also your gender exactly, and also if you have miles and more or other program, you can select that from here. And after that, fill in the email and your phone number and also the country code. And after that, you're just gonna press on confirm, and then it's gonna lead you to the payment process where you're gonna pay. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.